Hello everyone, my name's Chad. I'm a student at Walsh University. Today I will be discussing two different plant families that are very commonly found in Ohio wildlife, and I'll also be looking at two different species and their characteristics, and I'll give you a few tips on how to find them. So first we will be discussing the mustard family, scientific name Brassicaceae. Here we have a garlic mustard plant, and there are a few easily identifiable characteristics on this plant. The first being, it has 4 petals. Sorry it's a bit windy right now, but this has 4 petals on here. Every mustard family plant has 4 petals. They're usually yellow, but on this garlic mustard, they are white. Along with that, the male flower part, the stamen, there are 6 of those for the mustard family. And on the garlic mustard specifically, there are 2 long stamen and 4 short stamen. You might not be able to see them specifically right now, but it is only mid-May, and these plants can grow up to 3 to 4 feet, and they are an invasive species to Ohio. They're not a main food source for any animals here in Ohio, and there are a few other factors that make them invasive. So if you see these out in the wild, they're pretty common. Just bag them up in a trash bag and you can throw them away. This is the mint family, scientific name Lamiaceae. Here's a purple dead nettle. They're pretty easy to find in the wild. If you find one, there's probably a lot more, and there's a whole field of them right there. So they have square stems. You can even see the edges as I'm holding it here. They have opposite leaves, so the leaves meet at a particular node on the stem. Very symmetrical. Flowers on the mint family have 2 lips. They're irregular, so there's lateral symmetry there. You can see these 2 lips at the bottom. And lastly, the mint family is aromatic, so if you break them up, the flowers or the petals or the leaves, they will give off a particular smell. Purple dead nettle is not the best for this, but they are pretty easy to identify and super common in Ohio. Those are just 2 families of the hundreds of different families found within the angiosperm clade. Botany as a field of work aims to accurately categorize the relationships between these species, and there's definitely a lot more to discover. So thank you for watching.